Guys, this thing is a turtle. That thing is huge. Look how big it is compared to my hand. Look, there's another one here. Monster-sized turtles. Hello, little turtle. This one looks like he's fake. Oh no, he's kind of moving. Look at that one. Very nice. That's so look, and he's getting rid of the sand on him. I mean, that's just, I've never seen a turtle, like I've seen sea turtles when they're going scuba diving, but never a turtle as big as that. Look at that. It's like a, so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's sitting down. Look, he's sitting down. Ma, you're scaring him. He's going into his shell because of you. That is really cute.